Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Trip. This is your host Amitabh Dash, and today in our video we are going to learn about SNS. So in this video we are going to give you the heads on to what is SNS is. We are going to show you the use cases of SNS, and also we'll be showing you the difference between SQS and SNS, because what I feel many people have the doubt what is the difference between them, get confused between those two services of AWS. And we have a cool demo for you. In that demonstration we'll be showing you that whenever someone deletes an object from a bucket, how we can use the SNS, leverage the SNS service of AWS to send notification to the owner. So we'll be showing you that. Introduction to SNS. So the SNS stands for Simple Notification Service. It is a managed service of AWS. It provides you high availability, durability, security, and it's a managed PubSub model. So what do you mean by PubSub model, right? So PubSub means publisher and subscriber model. You can understand it if I give you a cool example. For example, you are watching the video. You have subscribed to my video. So you are my subscribers, okay? So you have subscribed to my video, and I am the publisher. What I am doing is that when I am publishing a video, and if you are subscribed to my channel, you get notification immediately that I have uploaded a video, and you get the notification. So exactly it works like this. So you are the subscriber, I am the publisher. As soon as I publishes the video, you get the notification. I think that's the best way to promote my video as well. So yeah, thumbs up. And yeah, so it works like this. We'll be looking into a use case of SNS. So whenever a client uploads an object into a S3 bucket, the SNS notifies the user. So you can leverage the SNS to send it to SQS also, to send it to AWS Lambda, so that the Lambda can post it into Slack. So you can leverage that way as well. SQS is. So in this slide, it beautifully depicts the difference between the SNS and SQS. So SNS we have already discussed. So it is a notification service. So it is a PubSub model. Like whenever a publisher whenever a publisher publishes something, the subscribers who have subscribed to the channel gets the notification. It works like that. And what is SQS? So SQS works something different. It is a queuing mechanism. It helps to decouple the application. Okay, you can think something like, for example, you have an application tier and a database tier. Now think the database tier cannot process as fast as the application tier. So you can put the queue in the middle, so that the data that is being pushed from the application layer, the queue can decouple the application layer and the database tier. And with the help, and also we can do one more thing. For example, if the size of the queue increases, we can enable auto scaling as well, depending upon the size. Also, there is a concept of polling. It won't be publishing the message like the SNS. So the person who is responsible for taking the message from the SQS has to poll the SQS. So there's also one more big difference between SNS and SQS. For example, in SQS, the person who is supposed to receive the message from the SQS has to constantly poll the SQS. So it has to constantly poll the queue, so that to check whether the queue has any latest message or not. So it has to constantly check the SQS. There is also a concept of long polling and short polling. Depending upon the time interval, you can set the polling. The short polling costs you more. Also, there is a concept of dead letter queue. And we'll not be going to discuss all those details. We'll be keeping that in a later video. So this is a basic difference. So SNS, PubSub model, SQS is it helps to decouple the application. It is a queuing mechanism of AWS. It is also a managed service. So look, moving on to the demo. In this demo, we are supposed to prepare a case whenever someone deletes the data from the bucket, the owner should get a notification email that the object has been deleted. So this is the task we are supposed to do. So let's move on to the console. We're into the AWS console. In the AWS console, this is the bucket name. This is the name of my bucket. We'll be going to take the advantage of a property named events in S3 to leverage SNS to send the notification. So what I'm going to do over here is that whenever someone deletes an object from this S3 bucket, I want a mail to be delivered. So we'll be going to properties. We'll be going to events, click on events, click on add notification. So now at this point, I want to select all the object delete events. So because as my question suggested me that prepare a case whenever someone deletes the data from the S3 bucket, so I'll be clicking on all object delete. So depending upon your situation, for example, you also might be trying to notify your client whenever new object is been put or some modification has been done. You can also do that by using the events. So you can do that. Now at this point I'll be moving on to the SNS. So go to services, you can search for the SNS. You can search SNS, type SNS and click on the service. So I am already into the SNS dashboard. Now we'll be clicking on topics. Click on create topic. Keep the name of the topic Cloud Trip Demo Webinar. So this is the name of the topic. Let the display name be same as the name. So encryption, we're not going to enable that. So I have to create the topic. Now at this point I'm not yet added the subscriber. So you have to add the subscriber. So who is subscriber again? So subscriber will be the person who will be getting the messages. So if something happens, so subscriber will be the person who will be getting the notification that this, yes, something has happened. So subscriber will be that person. Go to subscriber, click on add subscriber, create subscriber, yeah, and select the topic, select the protocol. I am supposed to send the email to the client, so I will be clicking on email. There are also other options like you can also have a HTTP trigger as well and all that. So the endpoint will be my email ID. You can also write to me in this email ID as well if you have any doubts or if you have any suggestions regarding my channel. So yeah, click on this and click on create subscription. Now the status is pending confirmation. So an email will be sent to my mailbox saying that you have to confirm that yes, you are the right person, you are the intended subscriber. So you have to confirm that. So I'll be moving on to my Gmail account. There's the email ID I've given. So click on this. So click on confirm subscribe. Click on confirm subscription. You can also copy the URL and paste that. I'll be preferring this confirm subscription. Click on it and you are subscribed. Refresh the page. So as you can see, the status is confirmed. It took me around 5 to 10 seconds for it to get confirmed. Now, as my subscriber is confirmed, I'll be moving on to the S3. I'll be just refreshing this page once again. Click on events. Click on add notification. Select all object delete events. So I'll be giving a name. S3 delete notification event. So click on this. So prefix and suffix. So for example, you want this to be happen, this event to be occurred if it matches a certain particular prefix or a suffix. For example, you want the event to be triggered if the suffix is .txt, okay, or if a suffix is finance/something. So depending upon your requirement, you can set the prefix and suffix as well. So the suffix will basically tell you what type of file it is. We'll be sending it to the SNS. So select SNS topic and select the SNS topic you have created. So this is the SNS topic that I have created. Select it and click on save. The error is coming, unable to validate the following destination configurations. Permissions on the destination topic do not allow the S3 to publish notification from this bucket. So my destination topic do not allow my S3 to publish notifications. So my SNS doesn't have the permission. So if you go to the SNS, click on access policy. If you take a quick look at the policy that is written over here, so if you take a quick look at this access policy, note the permission is given for the SNS topic to notify on actions on the S3 bucket. So we have to create the policy. So we'll be going to the policy generator, select the policy SNS topic policy. The effect will be allow. The principal will be star. It will be SNS only. The action will be publish. So search for publish. Yeah, got it. Click on publish. The ERN. So ERN would be the ERN of the SNS. Copy this, paste it over here, and you have to give condition like when the string equals, right? So if the string equals, in the key it will be the source ERN. So the ERN it will be searching. Yeah, got it. And the value would be the ERN of my S3 bucket. Search for the bucket, click on the bucket, click on copy ERN. Go to the policy generator and add the value. So our policy is ready. Click on generate policy. I'll be copying this and I'll be go to the SNS. So click on edit on the topic. You have to add the policy. Go to the access policy. In the access policy, we'll be adding another statement. So give a comma over here and paste the policy. Okay, it's being pasted over here. Click on save changes. So it's now being done. It's being saving the policy. Now go to the S3 bucket. So go to the bucket. Click on properties. Click on events. Click on add notification. Click the name. History delete notify. So the name is given. So it will be all object delete events. I won't be giving any prefix or suffix. I'll be selecting the SNS topic that I have created. This is the name of the SNS topic. Now click on save. Now hopefully it will be saved. Yeah, so it's now being saved. So I have my email ID open. So let's see what if any email comes. Look, email comes right over here. So after successfully verification, so email will be coming to your email ID. It will be coming to the subscriber. So this is the email that came. Now let's check by deleting an object in the bucket. Let's check whether that mail goes to the subscriber or not. Go to the overview. Click on the image. Click on actions. Click on delete. Click on delete. So one success. So it's been deleted. Now we'll be checking the email ID of the subscriber, whether the subscriber gets a mail or not. So let's see. So the mail comes and look at the mail. So record event notification history source event. This you are getting that time when the event has occurred. So you are getting the event name, that is object remove delete, and from the source IP from where it is being deleted. So and the principal ID and the ERN, and what is the image that is deleted, that is given in the key section. So this is the image that I have deleted. So it's a beautiful thing that help your clients and also help you in your own projects to prevent when you're collaborating with multiple people. So you want the administrator to get notifications when some of the objects indeed, some important objects, if it gets deleted. So yeah, you can do that. And so that comes to the end of the presentation, and hopefully you like it, and see you in the later video, and take care of your health. And as the world is fighting against the coronavirus, so you take care of your health, stay fit, stay healthy. Bye.